at the Sunset Boulevard Bridge over the 405 freeway in the Brentwood area of Los Angeles, California. It's currently May 27, 2011, and they are just about starting to lay down the new bridge. They still have to tear down the second half of the old bridge, and we're looking at least another year and a half. And this is the construction site. We are currently on the east side of the bridge with Bel Air up to the right over here. And you can look here at this giant conduit pipe that's starting to be laid, as well as all the rebar. The sun is starting to set on a beautiful Friday evening before Memorial Day weekend. And we're going to go back up to the above the bridge. Okay, this is the upper area. You see the Angelino Hotel, and above that, with the sun in our eyes, is the Getty Center. Just looking at all these huge I-beams over here and all this rebar. This is going to have a ton of cars once it's opened. Although it's been a ton of torture for the local residents for the last year. This is Sunset Boulevard. What's left here, there's 2 lanes each way, which isn't horrible given it's a Friday evening. Probably because it's a holiday weekend and people are going home earlier and therefore already home. Here's the array of all the I-beams coming across here. So the final bridge, according to the website, is supposed to be 3 traffic lanes each way and 2 lanes to come over here so that you can get on the northbound 405 towards the San Fernando Valley. So a total of 8 lanes with a median. And here's the first area of towers that were poured. Now here's the rest of the I-beams as we walk out over the freeway. And over here, we're coming up right on the midway point. You can look down, see the southbound cars coming across, and pan over to the northbound traffic on the 405 freeway. When we come up again, you see that it's pretty jammed inbound. Usually it's the other way around. A lot of people may be heading off to the airport to get out of town for the long weekend. Traffic on Sunset Boulevard, a sheer nightmare for the last year. And then looking down over here, southbound traffic. And rebar coming out here. Be a panoramic view. I don't know what open hole means, but I'm not going there. year ago, it took them about 3 months just to dig giant holes to put these giant pieces of steel into the ground. So they're doing a lot of this work at night. Okay, now we're on the west side of the new Sunset Bridge. They're kind enough to leave these access areas open. Just huge concrete and steel, reinforced concrete. Okay. Giant hex key. Who knows what that'll be used for? And it looks like coming up over here, by some wishful thinking, they've already paved a shortcut to come across and get on the 405 where these cones are here. Cross over here. This is the live street, so you gotta be cautious. Look at that backup. And this looks like the new cut in coming off of Church Lane here in Brentwood. This is just laid over the last couple of days, and this looks like it'll be the way to get onto the 405 freeway. So that's the latest construction update on the Sunset Bridge by the I-405. There's a sunset view of the Getty Center. We'll see when it's done.